Rutgers running back Ray Rice's life has changed dramatically over the past 2 months as he's vaulted onto the national stage as the country's second leading rusher. Rice tells me his humbleness dates back to high school and it's helped him deal with the sudden fame. Coach Greg Schiano has been complimentary of how his back has handled the new attention. But against Connecticut on Sunday, Rice was held to just 79 yards. And the back indicates that he could have had more if the offense had connected on deep balls, freeing up running space for him. He won't blame quarterback Mike Teal or the receivers, saying they played well, but does acknowledge that UConn crowded the box in the attempt to stop the run. Notre Dame looked impressive offensively against Navy, which included the Irish going 3 for 5 on 4th downs. In fact, Irish coach Charlie Weis has a penchant for going for it on 4th downs this year, attempting 23 plays and converting 17 of them, an impressive 74% conversion rate. Weis says he's been calling 3rd down plays to get into 4th and short opportunities when the Irish have the ball on their 40-yard line or closer. The coach goes even further, pointing out that knowing that he'll often go for it on 4th down affects his play calling on 2nd down. Very quietly, former Nebraska head coach Frank Solich has turned Ohio University into a power to be feared in the Mid-American Conference. With just 3 games left, the Bobcats control their own destiny in the East Division of the MAC and look headed for their first conference title since 1968. Solich tells me not one of his players is overconfident heading down the stretch, as no one in the program has ever won more than 4 games in a season. The coach says building the Ohio program has almost been as fun as when he coached high school decades ago. His winning now has nothing to do with proving something to Nebraska. Quote, I know I can coach, I know I can recruit, I know I can pick a staff and motivate players, unquote. And it doesn't matter where Solich is doing it.